use it in Power BI. Thank you. So tonight we are going to look at DAX. DAX is a way of writing formula of manipulating data in Power BI. It's a strong tool that you just need to know. So in this lab, we will create calculated tables, calculated columns, and simple measure using DAX data analysis expression. So that's what we are going to do. We appreciate you follow me properly. Okay. We want to, if you remember in our last week, our salesperson, we've called it salesperson performance. Okay, this is the table that will analyze your regional tables. If you still remember, we explained that. So in this, but there is no table that will analyze your sales again. So in lieu of this, we are going to create a duplicate of this table as our salesperson. So in this task, you create salesperson calculated table, direct relationship to sales. Okay. So a calculated table is created by first entering the table name, followed by equals to symbol, okay, followed by a dash formula that returns a table. So the table name can't already exist. You cannot use any name of table that is similar to the one that is already here in the data model. So the formula bar supports entry a valid dash formula. It includes features like autocomplete, IntelliSense, and color coding, enabling you to quickly and accurately enter the formula. And I want to quickly open Excel for you. I want to demonstrate something for you in Excel so that you understand and appreciate what I want to do here. Let me use this table, sales data. Okay, good. Can you look at this table?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes,
okay.
You can see it.
If I want to write formula to sum this column, I will simply come here and start with equal to sign. Some of us are know how to write formula. Sum, open bracket. The first cell there is going to be D2, then colon. Am I correct? And the last column will be D6. And you close the bracket and press enter. That sum that column for us. Okay? If you want to extend it to quantity and profit, I simply point to this place, drag, and we'll get our summation. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Please, everybody should participate. If you are not clear, call me back. But take note of something. The formula you are writing in Excel cell is just inside the cell and you get result and off you go. Unlike Excel, Power BI, every formula you are writing must have a label. Are you with me? Every formula you are writing must have a name. So now we are in reporting view. Let's go on. On the modeling ribbon from inside the calculating group, this modeling, inside the calculation group, select new table. This. Click on new table. So it's giving us a name here. And it's giving us a place to write our formula. So the formula bar which open directly beneath the ribbon when creating and editing calculation, type. So we are going to type sales post instead of this table. This one is what Excel doesn't have. So the name you want to give your formula, salesperson. Okay. Then hold down your shift key, click in front of the equal to sign. Can you see what I'm doing, please? Hello, can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we want to generate a new table. So click in front of the equal to sign, hold down your shift key and press enter, so that you come to a new line and you type the name of the table that you have below. Start with single quotes, salesperson. So when you start, it's telling me this is the name of the table I want. So you select it. Are you doing it?
Yes.
Are you doing it?
Yes. Yes.
Good. So you are simply telling Power BI query that duplicate the table called salesperson performance and rename it salesperson. That's what you are saying. So that's the end of our formula. That's what we want. Just press enter. If you look at your screen very well now, on the right-hand side, under data pane, you will see a salesperson table there.
Yes.
So it has generated another salesperson for me. That's the meaning of the formula you wrote here. Duplicate this table, salesperson performance, and call the duplicate salesperson.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, it is.
Good. So this table definition creates a copy of salesperson performance table. It copies the data only. All the format you did is not here, only the data alone. However, model property like visibility, formatting, etc. aren't copied. So in the data pane, notice that the table icon has an additional calculator in front of it. Can you look at your own salesperson? You will see there is a symbol of calculator on it.
Mm-hmm.
That is to tell you that this is a calculated table. That's the meaning of that calculator you see there. So calculated tables are defined by using a dash formula that returns a table. It is important to understand that calculated tables increase the size of the data model. And draw your attention to that. As good as calculated table is, as a data analyst, you have to run away from it because it's going to increase the size of your Power BI file. Okay? And when you want to publish to web service, it's going to be a problem for you. So you are encouraged to create all your tables on the data source and only importing the column you want. Okay? Good. Is that sync?
Yes.
Okay. So they are recomputed. Then another thing is, apart from the size, each time you are running, they are recomputed all the time because it didn't keep the data to its memory. It will be generating the time at any point you are selecting it. Unlike Power Query source tables, calculated tables can be used to load data from external data source. So it doesn't have any connection to data source. It's only on the environment where you load it. Okay. Now let's move on. Switch to model view. So come to your third button after you created your salesperson. Have you seen it? If you look at it very well, your salesperson is not here. Drag down this horizontal arrow to the right. See your salesperson here.
Is it the new one you just created, right?
Yes, now.
Okay.
You see that it's not attached to anything.
Yes.
So it's a new table. Okay? Now we are going to create a relationship between salesperson, employee key, and column as the sales employee key. So we are going to join this salesperson and sales together. Okay? You can drag the common key is your employee key. See employee key here. Okay? See your employee key here. You can drag this employee key to go and join this one. Remember? So it's joined together from employee key. Okay? And it's many to one relationship. So one record of sales order will give many record of employee key, etc. like that. Okay, good. So you say safe. Okay. So C as salesperson. So you can see now that your salesperson is joined directly with your sales. You can see that. Okay. Right-click the intense inactive layer between the salesperson performance. So come to your salesperson performance this. Okay. Know that the line between them and the salesperson is inactive, right?
Yes.
Okay. So right-click it, the line, and delete it. So you don't want the relationship again. Okay. So you can see now that there is no relationship between salesperson and employee. Okay. So it's only salesperson that is filtering your sales now. Then your salesperson performance is filtering your salesperson region, and sales together.
Sorry, Ebenezer. He said we should delete the relationship between
Sales and salesperson performance.
sales and salesperson. Okay. It's joining
Okay.
through the product key, employee key,
So which one?
the salesperson
Salesperson,
performance.
yeah, salesperson and sales. They will join together an employee key.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that what we should delete?
No. It's oh, hold on. Hold
Yes.
on. You are getting things wrong. You also don't let me restore it back. Okay, so you can see that we restore it back. Can you see that?
Yes.
And it's broken, it's inactive.
Mm.
So I'm saying right click on it.
And delete.
Okay. Now, so you right click and delete it.
Okay.
Okay. So is that clear now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Good. So please click. Okay, we're taking that. In the salesperson table. So let's go back to table now. This. Okay. So now, in the salesperson table, multi-select the following. Okay? No, this thing should be done in model. Let's go to model. Model. Please go to your model. In your salesperson, see your salesperson here now.
Yes.
Select employee ID.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. See employee ID. Employee key, select it. And UPN. Three of them. Okay. So now we've selected them. So now we are going to okay. So let's in the property window, it's hidden. Set it to yes on the three field you selected. Okay. So we are going to hide it. We've done it in the past. So those three fields, they are hidden. Any question? Shall I move on?
Can move on.
Okay, good. In the model view, here we are. Okay. Okay. So we call on salesperson again. Okay. So okay. So in the model, select the salesperson. Okay. In the property window, in the decision box, enter salesperson related sales. So
In sales or salesperson?
salesperson. Under the description of salesperson, this one, select your salesperson. Under description, type salesperson related to sales. So click outside. When you are away from it and you point to it, it's going to show two tips. Now, click on your salesperson performance, please. Okay? And so salesperson, you now come to property window under description, type sales, okay. So salesperson, salesperson related to salesperson related to region. Salesperson related to regions. Okay. Sorry. Salesperson related to regions. Okay, so click outside. So the data model now provides two alternatives where it analyzes salespeople. The salesperson, can you follow that? Sorry, I don't mind my internet tonight. Please continue recording.
It's on.
Okay. So the data model now provides two alternatives when analyzing salespeople. The salesperson table allow analysis made by a salesperson, while the salesperson performance table allow analysis made in the sales region assigned to the sales person. Okay, good. Any question? Any question? Now let's go to table view. We want to progress to create the date table. Remember I told you about, remember when we went to option the other day? Option and settings, options. If you still remember that. Okay. Remember this. We come to this current file under data load. Under time intelligence, we will check this to take out the date hierarchy. Good. That date hierarchy we remove. We want to create the date hierarchy now by creating a date table. Okay? So we'll come to on the home ribbon, here where we are now. We are looking at our calculation group, this, and there you see new table. So click on new table. Okay. So the date table will give, like I told you, every formula must have a name. So we want to create a table called dates. Dates. And this is what is going to make up of my dates. It's going to be calendar auto. Calendar auto is a function that allows you to generate calendar. But this time around, remember I told you that artificial intelligence part of Power BI. When you open your Power BI, it's there at the beginning, it's there running at the background. So what it does is that artificial intelligence gather the dates, the smallest and the highest dates in your data, and it's going to generate a date span in between them. So when you say calculated auto, you are saying if my end of year is December, then January to December. If the end of year recognizes January 1, then your year starts at November. All along like that. Tonight our year starts from July 31. No, from July. Okay, our year ends in June 30. Okay, so in my calendar auto, I'm going to put I'll open bracket. If the moment you leave out this value 6, you are saying my calendar run from January to December, as it is. But no, my calendar run from June to July to June. So I will always indicate the last month of the year in my function. So calendar auto 6. So it's going to generate a date for me from July, ends in December and co. Okay, good. So press enter now to generate our date table. Okay. So press enter. So it has generated a date table for you now with one column. Okay. So if you scroll down now, if you look at your task bar at the bottom, you will see table, name of the table is date table. Am I correct?
Yes.
Does it matter that the format is different? Your format is month, day. Mine is day, month. Hello? Lost him again.
Yeah, sorry. Wait.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah. Let me share my screen.
Okay. No, I was just saying that
Right.
my format is different. Yours is
Oh,
day. Mine is day, month.
that means your system is formatted as British system.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay. Doesn't matter.
Nothing. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Our system is always either British or American.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks for the observation. Let's continue recording, please. Thank you. Okay. So we generated a calendar now. They also have explained to you the function and the purpose of the value inside it. Okay. So the calculator auto function returns a single column table consisting of the date values. The auto behavior scans all data model. Okay. All data model for data conditions to determine the earliest and latest date value stored in the data model. It then creates a so this function can take a single optional argument, that is the last month number of a year where omitted the value is 12. So if you don't put any value in that place, it's 12, meaning that December is the last month of the year. In this case, 6 is entered, meaning that the June is the last month of the year. Any question?
So if I put 8, then that means August is the last month.
August, yes.
Okay.
If you put September, if you put 9, that means September. If you put November, December, okay. So whatever you pick will be interpreted in that direction. Any other question? Okay. So any other question? Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So all of that formula we want to write, although it's in the snippet, okay, but I will encourage you to write yourself so that you learn how to create formula. So we want to continue with our date table. Now, a calculated column is created by first entering the column name. So, so we are going to create a new column. See in your calculation, see new column. Click on column. It has added a new column for you. But what will be the content of this column? Yeah. So the next formula we want to write is, we want to generate a financial year. Okay? Good. And the formula for financial year will look like this. Okay, see the formula. The label of the formula is year. And the formula itself will begin by saying you want to begin with a string, financial year. So you put it in quotes, FY. So anybody that see you know it's financial year. Okay? Next to it is, because you want to join it together to become one thing, so you put ampersand sign. You can, if you right click on, if you pick new column on your own, you can just go ahead and be typing what I'm typing to the notepad so that to write it for you. Okay. Okay. So we are looking at the financial year. We write the literal string that begins. So we now move further. We want to extract the year of each of the dates. Okay? If you look at your screen very well, on top, sorry. Okay. So year, now you will use year function to extract the year of your dates. If you look at these dates here now in this column, 2017 is the year. This function here will extract the year of the date, and this is how you write it. A date table, okay, that has a date column. Okay. So open brackets. Now you answer, no, you make year heading, then date row in the date column. So you now put your date. So this year will have extract date value. Okay. So now we want to add the month part of it. Okay. So you now say plus if, okay, if you use months.
Sorry, Ebenezer.
Yeah? Yeah?
The brackets you're using on date are not the same.
Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be square brackets. Brackets. Sorry, then you close the brackets.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. So if month, we want to extract the month or the date. Okay? Column date. Okay. Okay. What this formula is doing here is that if the month of the year is greater than 6, it's going to be adding 1 to your expression from the moment. It's going to be, if the month is July, it's going to add 1 to your month. So I'm coming, let me finish so that I will demonstrate for you what I'm doing. 6, 1, and close it. Okay? Now let's see what it's doing. Here you are saying extract the year, part of my date. Let's assume we are looking at the first date, 7/1. No, I want to check something. Let me move down a bit. Okay. Let's assume I want to look at this. Okay. Year, financial year, we write this. This is what this formula will do for you. Using the first, let's assume I pick 5th of September, this. I pick 5th of September 2018 to demonstrate. And I wanted to use this formula then. So it will write FY, financial year. It will now go to the date column and insert a year of my date. I am looking at this 2018. So the year part of this place is no, let me do something. Let me go up. Okay, here we have no, months greater than 12. Okay. So now it will extract the year part of the date, which is 2017 here. So it will write 2017 in front of this, your FY. Now next to it is if the month is greater than 6, that is, if the month part of the day, let's look at this, month part of the date, if it's 8, you know this is day, month, and year of America. So if month part of this place is greater, 8 now. So it's going to add, because it has already extracted your date, okay? It has gone to the month of date now and see that the month is 11, 2011, 2017. So it's going to pick the month now. I add the month here, which is November. Sorry. The month there is 11. Okay. 30th day of September of 2018. So now, or 2017, it's going to, it has picked the month to be November, but it hasn't finished. He will now check is 11 greater than 6. Yes. So 11 greater than 6 is going to push. Your formula will now be, okay, it has, if the month is The month here is 11. Add 1 to it will give you 12. Okay? So it will continue circle and circle like that until every row is finished. And you have a financial year 2017 and it's going to generate it down like that for all others. Okay? So let me just copy this formula and you see at work. So we are going to put a new column. So a new column will be bear the name of what do you want to call the name after. So we've gotten a date table, then remains quarter and months.
Not year.
Sorry?
Not
Oh,
year.
sorry, I've not concluded the year one. So sorry. Yeah. Give it a label. So okay, copy the formula now. Okay, then put it here. Hold down your key for clarity. That's why you are putting it on a different line. So this now press enter. So that generates your financial year for you. Have you seen that? Okay. Okay. So you generate it of financial year finish. Okay. So we've done. So they want us to use a snippet to create the definition to create the next quarter and month. So let me locate that file for you. Okay. Let me locate our. So let me locate our snippets file. Okay, data analysis. Okay. No, it should be the labs. Go here. Labs. Let's go to the lab. Is it labs? Okay. Let's look at lab. We're looking at calculation with us, assets. Aha. Please. Let's go back to AdventureWorks. So quickly trace down your folder. Give me 1 second, let me see myself. I'll join you. Your snippets file for, thank you. Your snippet file is in all files, here 300 labs. So each of the lab that you are going through, we are looking at create that calculation in Power BI. Okay, this. Assets. So double click on this for assets. So this is the formula now. So we've done your sales person, we've done your calendar, we've done this, we create a year column. Now we want to create a quarter. So let me copy it for us to explain. So
sorry, where do you say this file is in?
okay, you know there is this folder I sent, all files folder.
Yeah.
Look, I'm coming.
In all files.
Let me go up again. Let me go to the beginning.
Okay.
You go to your my folder, you will see all files, this, right?
Yeah.
Double click on it.
Yeah.
Here 300.
Yeah.
Labs. Double click on labs.
Okay.
The asset is with whatever lab you are. We are in lab 4, where we are creating that calculation with Power BI.
Okay.
So double click on this. You will see this folder asset in it.
Yeah.
Snippets. So you click on this, and it's going to bring up this for you.
Thank you.
So you have your snap this. Now let me explain what this formula does. This is the formula, quarter. Okay. Let me adjust this formula a bit. This. Back. So this is the formula. Again, let's run through it. How I calculate quarter. The same way you do for a year. What you are saying is that you are saying add a new column. Let me come here and do it. So you click a new column. This, a new column.
We can't see your Power
So
BI
this,
because we're seeing the notepad.
Okay, you added a new column. So now let's come back here. That column, the name here, this quarter will be in front of this table, in this column. Now, what will be my formula that will generate quarter? You are saying go to date table. That's the meaning of this. Go to date column, the year of that row. That is, come to this date table, the table. Using it one row at a time. 𝐂𝐎𝐓, and that is what is going to write. The first thing is going to do is to write. Are you following me? Are you following me? Hello?
Mr. Benza, the internet, I think the internet went off, so it was cracking, so we didn't hear what you said last time. About just start from the dates, from the after the quarter dates, yeah, then we can get back.
Okay. Let me take it. You get me out to this when I created the quarter?
Yes, yes.
The network is just poor.
Wayne?
Hi.
Is it dragging away? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm saying to calculate quarter, this is the first thing it does. He's saying create a new column. This. What will be the name of the new column? Quarter. How am I going to generate it? First, go to date table. This is my table. Go to year column. This year is running through this year one after the other. It will pick the first item, financial year 2018, and that's what I write down here. The next thing it does is ampersand means join the next item, the next string item here, joining with what I have here, which is my financial year 2018. Now it's going to join this space Q. So it's going to write financial year 2018 space Q here. That's what it does. Now the next thing is you want to know whether it's quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. That's where the challenge is now. We are now saying, okay, having added space Q to financial year 2018, these have become 1. Then join whatever value you generate from this 𝐸𝐹 to rate. Okay? And how will it generate the value? Follow me, please. Be patient. You are saying if, let's look at something. Let's do this. Quarter 1 for financial year that begins July and ends in June. Am I right? That means our quarter 1 will be July, August, September. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So we write, we do this way. So let's say Q1, quarter 1. So the month of quarter 1 is July, comma, August, comma, and September. We all agree that 3 months makes a quarter. Am I correct?
Correct.
Good. Now, our quarter 2 will now be Q2. Quarter 2 will now be October, comma, November, comma, and December. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Then quarter 3 will now be Q3 now.
January,
Will be January,
February, March.
February, March. Right?
Yeah.
Then quarter 4, Q4, will now be
April, May, June.
April, May, and June. You can see now that our financial year starts from July and ends in June. Am I correct?
Yes.
There is another thing you need to take note of. Power Query does not translate your year in character like this. It translates it in number. Am I right?
Yes.
So for your quarter 1 is 7, 8, and 9. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. For quarter 2 is 10 for October, 11 for November, and 12 for December. Am I correct?
Yes.
Then your January is 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March. Then quarter 4 is 4 for April, 5 for May, and 6 for June. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. Now, another trick that Power Query does is, now you've understood which one is in quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. It started testing the values from 1. Okay? Now, let's see what it does. He's now asking, he wants to know if months, this month is going to extract the month part of your date. You are saying go to date table, date column. In that date column, what is the month of the date? Let me show you. Can you see? Supposing we are here, you are saying, don't mind me. You are saying come to date table. Come to date column. And the date there, extract month. My own computer is displaying month, day, and year. So definitely 7 is my month. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
For Wayne, yours is British. So you will have 1/7/2017. Is that not what you have?
Correct.
Date before the month. That's just the 2 way your computer. Except, I think China too. Asian country depends on either America or British.
Yeah.
That's So now it has extracted the 7 now. It has extracted 7. So it will now come to this formula. He's now testing the value. He's saying if the month extracted, which is 7, right? For the first one, 7. He's saying is 7 less than 3? Is 7 less than 3? Less or equal to 3? Is it?
No, 7 is not less than 3.
7 is not less than 3. So this place is wrong. A move further. Is 7 less than 6?
No.
No. It comes to this place. Is 7 less than 9?
Yes.
Yes. So if it's less than 9, then that means it's quarter 1. The number immediately after 9. Okay? Good. So that means is giving me July. 7 is July. It will continue like that. After 7, it's going to be August. It will check. Is month is 8 less than 3? No. Is 8 less than 6? No. Is 8 less than 9? Yes. Quarter 1. It will put Q1 here. It's going to add 1 here. So that means financial year 2018, quarter 1. It's going to check another month. If it's 9, it's now start here again. Is 9 less than 3? No. Is 9 less than 6? No. Is 9 less than 9? It's not less than 9 but equal to 9. That is September. That's quarter 1. It put 1 there, quarter 1. Now after September, after July, August, September, the next one is October. So if the next month he picks is October, which is 10, it will test. Look at what it's doing. Is 10 less than 3? No. Is 10 less than 6? No. Is 10 less or equal to 9? No. Then there is no other number again. So it's going to pick your quarter 2. So it's going to add 2 here. Understand what it does here? Because there is no other value. There is the list of your, if it's not less than or equal to 9, then it's going to be higher than 9. And that's 10. And when it's higher than 9, that's quarter 2. That's what it does. When it's November, it will start again. Is 11 less than 3? No. Is 11 less than 6? No. Is 11 less than 9 or equal to 9? It's not less. It's not equal to 9. It's bigger than 9. Then quarter 2. Are you with me?
Yes.
The next one is 12. 12 is not less than or equal to 3. 12 is not less than or equal to 6. 12 is not less than or equal to 9 but bigger than 9. Because it's bigger than 9, it can't be quarter 1, quarter 2. So when you finish with 12, the next month that will come is 1. He's asking the question, is 1 less than 3? Yes, that's quarter 3. So this one becomes 3. It will add 3 here. Okay? It will continue like that. And the next one is 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. So it becomes, it's still quarter 3. Is 3 less or equal to 3? Yes. Quarter 3. Then the next one is May, which is 5. Oh, sorry, April. So it will ask, is 4 less or equal to 3? 4 is not less or equal to 3, but greater than 3. So it moves to the next one. Is 4 less or equal to 6? Yes, that's quarter 2. That's the way it's going to circle it and generate quarter for the year. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Good. So we will now copy this part and go and complete our formula. Because we've already write our quarter there.
Can I ask a question? Just an observation.
Please go ahead and answer your question, Wayne.
So if you go back to that formula, so I get everything the formula is doing, apart from one thing. If the dates are less than or equal to the value 3, 6, or 9, how is the code saying put 3, 4, or 1 or 2 in there? Because it seems exactly the same as 3, 3, 6, 4. How is 1 asking it if the value is less than this, and then the other one?
Okay, I get you, Wayne. I get you. Look at me very well. 3 is the month.
Yeah.
6 is the month.
Yeah.
9 is the month.
Right.
The value 3 next year is the quarter.
Yeah.
Quarter 3, the value here, quarter 4, the value here, quarter 1.
2.
Because there is no other thing to test again after quarter 1, the movement is no longer 10, 11, 12 definitely is quarter. So the moment is bigger than 9 and is not 10, is bigger than 9, then it's quarter 2. That's why you have 2 here. So 1 and 2 here stand for quarter 1 and 2. While 3 and 4 is very clear, is clear that quarter 3, quarter 4 is for July. So this value at the back is the quarter.
Yeah, I understand what they are. And I don't understand the code saying this is what you put next to Q. It seems to me as if it's just if there was like a bracket at the end, the ones that
there is. This is what this if is what is doing the job of adding into Q.
Okay.
You are saying if the month here less or equal to 3, then that means it's quarter 3. So go and add 3 to Q.
Yeah, that's the part that confuses me, because the last 2 characters on each line, they're the same. I don't see how the computer is the
is the if condition that is controlling it. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So ask if it's not clear, I will go back. But is it clear now?
See, I think you're explaining something different. I get the part you're explaining. I'm just saying when you look at the code, like I understand what bracket date means. It's saying if this happens, add this. I'm sorry, if this value is what it is, then you move to the next one. Then but what I don't understand is how does it pick between the last characters? Like you have 3,3. So it's saying if one, why doesn't it add quarter 3,3? Why doesn't it add quarter 6,4? Because they look exactly the same to me. It's just an observation. I don't understand the way the code works. I know what it's trying to say, but if I was writing it myself, I would never pick that it says after checking if it's less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 4, 6, less than or equal to 9. The next characters next to it is what you add after Q. There's no way the code actually says that to me, because if you look at the bottom one, it says 912. How do I know that it's saying the if statement there is saying if less than or equal to 9, add 1 or 2 next to Q? It doesn't differentiate. It's just 9, 1, 2.
This evaluation of this if condition.
Yeah.
You see the if condition, I said this will extract a month and it's going to be a value.
Correct.
The result of this if condition is going to be a value.
Yes.
What you are saying is if the value extracted is either 1, 2, or 3.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, that's quarter 3. If the value extracted is 7, if the month extracted is 7, is comparing is 7 less than 9, yes. Then add quarter 1.
That's the thing. If there was a then after that 9, then it will make sense to me. But there is no.
It's I get you. That is a structure of writing code. They internally conceive that you are pronounced then, but it's silence. The reading of it is if the month less than 9.
Yeah.
Okay. Then add 1 to the financial year query that you have above.
Okay.
You go ahead again. If the month less or if 8 less or equal to 9, yes, 8 less or equal to 9, then add 1.
Yeah.
It's quarter 1.
Yeah.
Now, if 9 less or equal to 9, which is equal, add date, add 1 to the quarter. Now the next cycle say if 10 less or equal to 9. Of course, 10 is not less or equal to 9. Okay? Because 10 is not less or equal to 9, and the only group that remains there is 2. So then add 2 to quarter, to the quarter variable.
Yeah.
If 11 less or equal to 9, of course 11 is less, and 11 is greater than 9, so it's going to add 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if the code
okay,
was written as if less than 9 or equal to 9, then is written then 1, else 2. That would make sense to me.
But the structure of it's also what you are in the logic of, it's just like you are twisting English.
Yeah.
You know, the accent Briton has is different from accent African has in speaking. Even within Africa, when you come to northern Nigeria, when they speak, it's different from the way southern Nigerians speak. When you get to Hispanic in America, the accent is different from Red Indian in America. Correct me?
Correct.
Good. So the same way in accent, the accent is silencing, accent of the code is simply silencing the word then. You're supposed to say if the more less or equal to 9. Okay, if it is true, you expect us to write then here.
Exactly.
You are saying, okay, if the code less or equal to if it's bigger than 9, then you want us to write then here. Okay? Yes, we simply suppress then. Okay?
Okay.
We simply suppress then. That's all.
Okay.
It's there silently. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. So thank you. So that's how you bring your formula here now. Everything is working. Then you press
enter.
Enter, yeah. So see. So if I click arrow down here, you will see. So can you see your quarter 1, 2 for 2018? Quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. 1919, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter year 2020, quarter 1. Can you see all to 2022? You have quarter 1 to 4 there.
Yeah.
Is that clear? Good. That's the purpose of that formula. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to generate months column. Months column. So now that we have another one, you come to this calculations, new column. So now you come to your snippets again. Oh, that's my snippets. Okay. So the next formula is our months. So here is, you've already said generate another column for me, and you call it months. This. Okay. Then press enter, do this. So now say go to date column. Format the dates. I want to see year and months. Okay? You are saying I want to see only year and months. Go to the date column. date, go to date table, date column. You are saying go to date table, this date table, then the date column, this is your date column. You are saying extract year and month after this table. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see you are extracting your month. You are starting from your dates, okay? And you are now saying, when you extract your date, your month and year and month, take it back, okay? So what we are simply saying is that so take for an example, in this first date, okay, you have your month, day, and year. You have date and time, financial year, this and that. That's nothing. So here we need to look at, okay, you take your year and month. So you are taking 2017 and July. So that's what you want to demonstrate here. Okay, this will take the 4 digits of your year. This will take alphabetical order. Okay, so what you are simply writing is you are writing 2017, then your month, okay, it will be July, Jul. That's what this thing is going to generate for you. Okay, so let's see it. So put your formula here. Okay. So can you see now it has generated year and month for you? Okay. So finish that. So verify that the columns have verified the new columns have been added. So we added a new column. Okay. Okay. So if you look at my screen very well now, we generated 4 columns: date, year, color, and color. Okay. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
To validate the calculation, switch to report view to create new reports. Yeah. Good. So we're going to add metrics and okay. We want to add metrics and see okay. Okay.
What's monkey? Month key.
Okay. This is matrix. Am I correct? Yeah, this matrix. Let me take it out. So I want to add a new matrix. See matrix here. Can you see matrix? This?
Yes.
Good. I've added a matrix here. So now we want to add to our roof, to our coming. Okay. First series. Add year to the rows. Yeah. Okay. Valid year. Now add okay. Next one we are going to add our year quarter. Okay. And we are going to add months. Okay. Then we are going to add months. Yeah. So if you expand your, so if you click the arrow down here, you will see, oh, let me add 6. Let me add 6 so that they will do something together. So click the arrow down here. Can you see it has expanded it from your quarter to monthly incomes now? Okay. So that's how to confirm it. Okay. So in the month feed, drag to the rows area directly here below the feed at the top part of the matrix, usually this. Okay. Okay. So something happened in the year. Let me take out, we'll be able to see. Look at the months. Okay. Let's see. Let me expand. Let me expand further. So let me expand one more time. Oh, where is our?
Please, how did you expand again? I'm trying to look for.
Yes, I want to expand the. Oh, sorry, I've taken out the months. Sorry, let me add the month back.
On the date.
Sorry, date. Thank you.
Yes.
Month. Aha. See your date that is arranged in alphabetical. See, August before July, July before September, December, November, October. Is that correct? Is that arrangement correct? February, January, and March.
I'm
March.
I don't have.
I don't have
So
months in
my
my
own is showing Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4.
Come again.
I said my own is not showing August, July, September. It's just showing Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4.
Why?
Same with mine.
Okay, sorry, we need to expand it.
How do you
Yes.
expand it?
There's that fox symbol. That thing
That's
that
first
looks like
symbol. Yes.
Thank you.
It's because I spam
Oh,
my
okay.
symbol. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
No. Which symbol?
The downward fork symbol.
Come again.
Wayne was asking which symbol, so I was telling him the
Okay,
downward fork symbol.
let me reduce this. See, on top of your matrix, there is this button there, this.
Yeah.
And when you want to click on that for you want to expand it, you click on this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. If you want to collapse, click the arrow up here. Okay. So now look at our month. Our month is not properly arranged. That's the next thing we want to work towards now. So to customize the month field, we are going to create a month key. A month key. Okay, we want to create a formula month key. Okay. Or either we go back to our snippets, you can also copy the formula there. Don't let us waste time. Let me go to our snippet. Say month key table. This. Copy it. Okay, now let's move up and see. This is the formula. How does it work? Now, you are saying extra year part of date column from a date variable. So extract the year. That's all you see 2017 here. Okay. Next to it is that when you extract the year, you multiply by 100 so that you have 2017. Then you now extract the month of the dates. Okay, for July to be July, for other ones, they are months like that. So you add a month to this because you multiply this by 100. You now add 7. Definitely is going to read this for you.
My own snippet is saying +1 instead of +7.
That means if you are looking at the month of January.
Okay.
So this end result will be 2017 000. Okay, so you now have 27 7. Sorry, 7. So this is the end result. So this, when you generate this, all along it will allow you to adjust your it's helps you to adjust your column or row where you put them. Okay? So this is the formula. Let's go and write it. Okay, this. Okay, copy it. Come to your table view, generate a new column, come to your home, here, okay. So now we are going to create a new column, this. And you are calling this column month key. Then the formula is as I explained earlier. So you now copy this formula. So here you've done this. You now come here and put the formula here. So extract year and multiply by 100, extract month, multiply by 100, and extract this, multiply by nothing. Okay, so press enter to generate the formula.
Okay, so you don't copy the last part, the year times 100 equals plus 1 or 2 or 3. You don't add that to the formula.
Come again.
We don't need to add the last part, the second row of the snippet. We don't need to add that to the formula.
Yes. You don't need. Okay, like this. Good. So having done that, okay, having created that, okay. So switch back to report view. In the data pane, okay. Now, in the data pane, here is data pane. Okay.
Mr. Ebenezer, sorry, I don't have data/drill on my own.
You don't have what?
The data drill.
Then we can look at that later. Let's
Okay.
continue. Yeah. In the data pane. Okay. So under the data group, select arrow down here. Hold on. What's happening? I think it's under modeling I'm going. I'm mixing up things. My system has undergone formatting. Where is column tools now? Modeling. Hold on, let me come to. Oh, please come to table view. I confuse you. Table view, under column tools. Aha. Hey, I wonder. Sort by column, this. Okay. So you can see sort, you see month key, date, month. You are saying sort by month key, this.
Sorry, Benita, where did you get the column tools from?
Under modeling.
Modeling, yeah.
See, hold on. You come to your table view first.
Okay.
Table view.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will see your column tools.
File home.
Table view. Then you see your column tools. Then you see sort by. Have you selected your table view, everybody?
Yes, table view.
The menu you have here depends on the context of what is here.
Yes, okay.
Report. Table view.
Yeah.
If
Column tools.
it's a model, this. So you will see for your model, see many tools there. But for your table view, this. Okay? So under column tools, you now your modeling will show table tools and column tools. Then you now see sort by month key.
Yes.
Okay? So when you do that, it's going to organize it for you. Now let's go back to our report view. Okay? They're supposed to have rearranged this table. Sorry. Another wrong thing I did. You're supposed to click on month column. This is the month you want to sort, not month key we want to sort. Month. Pick your month column, please. Month column. We want to sort this month, sort by this. Month key. Thank you. Not the month key. Month key is already sorted by itself. Month. We want to sort by month key. Hello, am I communicating?
Yes.
Sorry for confusing you. If you come back to your report view now, you see your July, August, September, October, November, December has rearranged themselves. Let me take it again. You come to your table view. Under column tools, you will click your month column. You want to sort it properly. Then you now say sort by month key. That sorted that month for us. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So the months are now chronologically arranged. Okay? So now let's go ahead and complete our dates. Let's complete our date table. Switch to date model. Switch to model view. Come to your model view. This. In the date table. These are date table. So click on your month key, days, and come to its hidden, hide it. Click on your month key and hide. You don't need month key for anything. Okay. On the data right side pane, select date table. This is your date table, dates, not date field. Okay. So we want to create an hierarchy in your dates. So right click on year, days. Okay. When you've done that, create hierarchy. You still remember how we create hierarchy? So under the name, call it fiscal year, fiscal, F-I-S-C-A-L, fiscal. So now we want to add year. Come here, you want to add your quarter. You want to add your months. So your fiscal year, you have your year, quarter, and months. Okay? Apply level changes. So if you quickly want to test that, you can come to your report view. We are still here. We can delete what you have here and add another matrix and add your physical year there. Just check on it. So you see the same way. Then let's add your sales now. So, and I don't want sales. You have your sum. If you expand with your fork now, can you see? So you see the same thing. Instead of doing it one by one the other time, you use your hierarchy to do that. Now, we want to add a model, we want to add to our model relationship, date to sales order date, date to target month. So we come to model. Okay. Under our model, you create new managed relationship to make it faster for me. I want to create a new relationship, date table to sales table. Remember, I told you not all the time you have similar column, named column. This time around, I have a date column here, and on sales order, I have order date. These are date variable. So you see the name of the columns are not the same, so it's not selected automatically. So click Save. I've created hierarchy there for me. So sales order, let me see it. Edit, let me see. Yeah. So order date this. Make this relationship active one to many. Shikena. Then the next one is I want to create a date relationship, new relationship from my date to target table. Date to table target, this. And I have a target month as date. I have a date here, so click on date here. Click on date here. So save, close.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Date to target.
Yeah, let's take it again.
Yes, please.
The first one was date to was
Date to sales order date. Okay, let me take it out so that I will do it again. Let me delete this. Delete. The next one is this. Okay, so let me do it again. New relationship.
Yeah.
I want to have dates to sales table. Sales. Is that clear?
Yes.
And the formulation between date and sales table. But on which column?
Date.
So in my date table, I have a date column. In my sales table, I have other dates. So I'm relating this table based on dates and other dates. Is that clear?
Yes.
And one to many from my dates. One record will see many records in the sales table. So I click. Okay. Then the next one is new relationship. This time around from date table to date table to target. So pick your target. Date table has a date column. Target table has target month, which is date, this. Okay. So when you've done that, click on save. Is that clear to the two of us now?
Yes.
Okay. So if I collapse this now, this is your date table. Okay, so you have this is your dates, this is your targets. So we form that relationship. Let's add the following columns. Come to our model. Okay, I see the model. Order dates in sales. Expand your dates. You have your order dates. Expand your targets. You have your target amount. Hold down your control key and select the two of them. Order date in sales table, target month here. Then come to property and select is hidden. Okay, so you've hidden the two other date and target months. You've set hidden to yes. For your dates, for you to be able to do time intelligence reports, you must tie this date table to the report. So switch to report view. Report view. So come to your dates. Okay, click on your date table, select it. Date table. I will select date table, not the field, the table itself. So on the table 2, see your table 2, you see mark as date here. Can you see mark as date? Hello, can you see mark as date?
No. On the table.
No.
Come to your report view.
Yeah.
When you've done this, come to your on your data pane on the right-hand side here.
Yeah.
Make sure you expand. See, even if you don't expand, this date, the first item up there is date. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So click on the date. Okay?
Yeah.
When you click on the date, it's going to change the context menu. And you will see your under data drill and co. You see your mark as data table and mark as date table. Can you see it there?
It's not mine. It's not in my own.
Yeah, mine is just blank.
Mine is blank too.
Okay.
It's just like table tools, like blank. Like.
But did you see mark as date table? Did you see it here?
No, under data drill, it's blank.
Oh,
like
mark as date table. Wayne, go
but
towards your left.
Select date first under your data pane. Look at my mouse.
Yeah, I've selected date.
And it's still giving,
mark as date
and
table.
it's still not giving you this.
Yeah, Wayne, I think just keep going to your left from the table tools. Keep going to your left. You see it just before the last.
Wayne, share your screen. Let me see. Share your screen. Let me stop share.
1 second.
You're welcome.
Go
okay.
Towards your left. It's there. Towards your left. You see it.
No, keep your screen.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Okay.
So under here where you have data drill, I don't
Hold on.
So as it
Are you
left.
on report view? Click on report view. Click on the report view here.
Yeah, I'm on report
view. You're on report view. You click on date.
It's there. Just go towards your left. After new table.
Go
towards
see it under modeling.
Yes.
Rearrangement. See it under modeling.
Okay.
See under modeling. Under modeling. Look at under modeling.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See it.
So
okay.
Click on it. So mark as date table, everybody. So it's asking you, select the arrow down here.
Then,
Hello?
yeah.
No. There's arrow down in this or dialog box. There's a dialog box for you now.
It's my Zoom. I'm trying to.
No. Go come down. See mark as date table dialog box.
I know the Zoom screen is blocking it. I can't see that. I'm trying to remove it a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop sharing. Stop sharing.
Yeah.
Maybe that will convenient for you. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So mark as date table, I should just click OK.
Yes. So you click on mark as date table. This is mine has been upgraded.
Okay.
It's giving me this. Some people will be you select the arrow down and select mark as date table.
Yeah.
Check
Okay.
your own. So mine is you click on this.
So under date column, I should select date.
Yes.
Okay.
So under choose a date column, choose a column. So select date.
Yeah. Validated successfully. So click OK.
Yeah. So click OK. Mine say save. So that will allow you to use your date to do any event data analysis on your system. Okay? Let's see if I want to round up this one. So mark it as a date table. Okay. I think I will pause here tonight. The remaining thing is for us to do major calculation. We've already spent almost 3 hours. Sorry for the internet. Okay. So for you to make them bigger, look at your visualization.
Okay.
You click on the format your visual, this.
Okay.
So you come to column headers.
Okay.
First. So you expand. You will see your text. We can change your fonts. We agree to be using Time Romans in this class.
Okay.
Then you can increase these fonts. Okay. Make it 12.
Yeah.
Or 15. And make it bold. Can you see your year sale is bold now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so we leave column header. The next one is your row headers. That's all this one. So you can come to turn this one to Time Romans. Turn this one to 13 to make it bigger. Can you see that now?
Yeah.
So when it comes to value, leave it as it is. But for headings, you can make it bigger and bold. Is that clear?
Okay.
You can go to as many sizes of your choice.
Yeah.
Any other thing?
No, that's good. Thanks.
Thank you.